Okay, so when you open the box, you will either have 1, 2 in this case, or 4 of the nmbotminer ESP32 devices. They come in the electrostatic paper, or plastic, excuse me, and then you'll have a little bag that has all your little accessories. I've already cut them open to make it easier. So we will open them up. This is what they look like. nmbotminer on the front side. Also nmbotminer on the back. When you purchase these devices from nmbotminer, you do not need the license. The license is included with the device. To purchase the license is for third-party ESP devices. So as long as your device is branded, you are good to go. In the bag here, you'll have some parts. You'll have some power cables which you can use to connect the devices together so that you can run it on one USB cable. You'll have some little mini heat sinks here. You'll have your GPIO pins, which you will have to solder on if you want to use those features. And then you have your little standoff risers that come with the package. Pause it. Okay, yeah, I'm doing that right. Okay, so I have put on the heat sinks already. It's a little sticker on the back. It's real easy, just press them on. And you're done for now on that part. What else you will need is a USB cord that allows data. You will find out very quickly if your USB cord is not a data cable. We're going to start by plugging in the device. It is already plugged up into my computer, and as you can see, the red light comes on to say it is activated. The other side starts flashing. Okay, and then we are going to go to your web browser. If you hadn't already looked up NM Tech, you should go to NM Tech. Alright, if you're already not familiar with NM Tech, go to nmbotminer.com to give you a lot of information about the devices. And also scroll down. Shows you a little bit more information about them, some of the devices that they power. Also the NMAX, which is coming out very shortly. And you can purchase it online here. Like I said earlier, the single license is for non-branded ESP32 devices. If you bought your device either through nmbotminer or AliExpress, it is included. You don't have to do anything else. So you'll go to the web page and you'll see start a project with NM Web Flasher, and it tells you to plug it in to your computer and start, and then you'll click on it and it'll take you to this page. Now on this page here, the most important information is right here on the top, nmbotminer supported devices. You're going to find your device, whatever brand it is. Right here's the NMAX. Here's ESP, non-branded ESP devices. And the one that we're worried about right now is the bot chain version 1. Next to that is going to be the software version. It should automatically select the latest version. As of right now, the latest version is 5.03. Next to that, you'll see baud rate. Do not mess with the baud rate unless you are dealing with non-branded ESP32 devices. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on Connect and Program after you've plugged the device in. It's going to pop up with this screen here. Wants to connect to a serial port. It'll show this number here will change. Don't worry about that. You just want to make sure it shows something. If you hit Connect and Program and this pops up and nothing shows up here, or it says cannot find any devices, you need to get a different USB-C cable. It is not a data cable, it is a charging only cable. So since this is a data cable, we'll hit select and connect. It's going to read it, and it's going to load the firmware onto it. And again, as long as it's a branded device, just let it do its thing. Tell me when. So once you've connected the device, it'll load everything, and then you'll notice on the very bottom here, it'll pop up with your Wi-Fi SSID, your Wi-Fi password, and your Bitcoin wallet address. Your Bitcoin wallet address, I suggest you do not try to manually type it in. Figure out where it's at, copy and paste it. That way you do not make a mistake. It is case sensitive. But your Bitcoin address should start with BC1. Once you get your Wi-Fi password and your SSID typed in, you're going to do configure device. And then it's going to do its thing. Note what the screen is showing. Pause. Now you're going to go to your cell phone. You're going to see nmbotminer. Note what the screen is showing. Pause. Now you're going to go to your cell phone. You're going to see nmbotminer 2.4G. You're going to select it and enter the password. Password is for all devices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, it's connected. You're going to go to your web browser. You're going to type in stay connected. You're going to go to 192.168.4.1 and hit go. It's going to pop up with this screen here. You're going to do configure Wi-Fi. Now it's going to show, if you pre-programmed your Wi-Fi, it's going to show the name there. You're going to select on it, and I'm going to type in my Wi-Fi password. Pause. So now it's going to come pre-programmed with publicpool.io. I do not recommend, when you're starting these devices up, the branded NM miners. Go ahead and use the publicpool.io just to verify that it is working. So you're going to have publicpool.io. The port number is pre-installed. Password is X. And then it'll have your Bitcoin address. Make sure you verify that your Bitcoin address is correct. Put in your correct time zone. Mine is -6. Then you're going to see the device code, the license. Those you will leave alone. Go ahead and select Save Uptime Best Diff Shares in NVS. Do not select SSL connection. Public pool does not support it, so do not select it. If you onboard this device to a different pool, you may need SSL connections, but you will need to verify for that pool. So we're going to hit save. And it's saving. And you will know it's done whenever it puts you back onto your Wi-Fi. Pause. So now the device is connecting. If you entered everything incorrectly, your Bitcoin wallet address and everything, it will connect to public pool. And as you can see, this device is on and hashing.